Treasure hunting, part 50. Rolled up on Walmart, got a couple cases, See, we got the end case, Zamac, Boulevard. See, we got another premium set. Let's see what we got. Let's crack open some of these boxes. Couple match boxes. Oh yeah, I'll take that treasure hunt. I'll take this one too for one of the homies. Oh yeah, I'll take that Forerunner. Let's get it. Definitely needed another one of these Barbie combis. I need this whole set, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab them all. Oh yeah. I like this van. It's kind of fire. I like this van too. I think I'm gonna leave this one here. Here's what I got. Needed that Mustang to complete the set. I think I came up today.